Okay, so this is a follow-up video to one I did recently showing the maximum dimensions of the battery compartment in an Anki Cozmo. Someone basically was saying theoretically what's the maximum size that we can get in a battery, and I found one online, 850 milliamp hour battery. It's pretty much the same dimensions as the 600 milliamp hour battery, the upgraded battery that I normally put in these devices for people, but this is 7 mil deep, so this uses every square millimeter of space in that battery compartment. But I thought, it'd be an interesting little experiment just to see if we can fit this battery in. 850 milliamp hour is going to give a ridiculous runtime. The 600 milliamp hour batteries that I fit in these things, they can run for between 80 and 90 minutes normally. So I was interested to see whether or not I could actually get this done. So just taking out the old one of the old stock batteries that was running. This is actually my robot, so I wasn't too fussed about it causing any damage. This was just as a test. But you can see that it does actually fit in the robot. I mean, it is just about in there. I mean, there's no feather clearance or anything. You can see there's a slight bulge in the charge plate there, but I don't think that's not going to cause any issues once the unit is back together and put on the charge plate. It was just a case of being quite careful, because the last thing you want to do is tear these batteries or squash them into into a way that they can, if they become misshapen or anything, that can cause problems further down the line. But I am happy to report that the 850 milliamp hour battery does actually fit. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get hold of one of these yourself, or tell you how to search for it. I wouldn't recommend doing it, to be honest. I would say stick with the 600 milliamp hour battery that I talk about in my previous videos. And again, if you want me to perform this procedure for you for a small fee, I'm happy to do that. Please do get in touch. I'm happy to answer any questions as well. Just leave some comments below, and thanks for your time. I'll speak to you again soon.